Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete certain pages from a PDF file. So you'll see some videos on YouTube where some people say to print to a PDF from a PDF and only print the pages that you need. But what I find when you do this is your PDF increases in size. So another way I've seen to do this is to download a bit of software. So I'm just going to paste this link in here and I'll put this link below so you can just copy and paste if you're following along. So I'm just going to go on to sourceforge.net and I'm going to download PDF Edit and I'll click download here. And it should start here in a second. Okay, so I'm just going to click to save the file here. Okay, now that it looks like it's downloaded here, I am just going to run it and I'm going to click OK to run it and I'll click run again here. So let me just drag this over, I'll click next. I'm going to leave it just on the C drive. I'll click next and then I'll click to install and this should now step through the install process. Okay, and it looks like it's installed here for us now, so I'm just going to click finish here. Okay, so I know this is installed on my C drive, so let me just pull over my Windows Explorer folder here. And I'm going to go into PDF Edit and I'm going to double click PDF Edit and let me just pull this across. So now what we can do is I can go File, Open, and let me go into my downloads here. So I'm going to go to Downloads and I have a test PDF here. So as we can see, it's pages 1 to 16. So now I can easily just go File, Pages, Delete Page, and I've now deleted page 1. And say if I want to delete a page 4, I can go File, Pages, Delete Page, and I've now deleted that page. And then I can just do File, Save a Copy, and I can just save it in my downloads, and I can save it as Test2. And I've now saved that PDF, and if we look in the downloads folder, we have our test2 here, and we have our original, and we can see they're reasonably the same size. There's been no great increase in size. So that is how to delete pages from a PDF. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching.